Hi all, I'm Kanika Kucheria from Techcanvass. In continuation of our Selenium tutorial, topic for today's video is Driver.close versus Driver.quit. In Selenium automation, while we are doing web application testing, we open the web browser window. Once our testing is completed, we must close the browser windows. Otherwise, the unwanted browser window or more than one windows remain open and they utilize our memory. So for this purpose, we have two methods available in WebDriver, driver.close and driver.quit. We should know which method is applicable in each of our test execution scenarios. First, let's talk about driver.close method. This method closes the browser window which we are currently focusing on. So by that we mean it closes the current window of the web browser. The syntax is as shown in the presentation, driver.close with no arguments. Here driver is the WebDriver object. Next is driver.quit. This method in turn calls the driver.dispose method, which will close all the browser windows and ends the WebDriver session gracefully. The syntax is as shown in the presentation, driver.quit with no arguments, and here again, driver is the WebDriver object. It is often a good practice to use driver.quit. In this slide, we will get a better understanding of both the methods and their usage. So here on left hand side, we can see there are two windows of the web browser opened. So once the automation is completed, we call driver.close method, and here it will close the current window on which we are working on, that is window.2, and window 1 will remain opened. On the right hand side, if we use driver.quit, here it will close both the windows, window 1 and window 2, and complete the web browser session. Now let's see a small demo to get a better understanding of the usage of both the methods. This is our Selenium program where we are doing some web automation in which multiple browser windows are opened. Now we will see and understand what is the difference in driver.close and quit in both the scenarios. So let's understand this program first. In this program, first we are opening the Chrome browser, then we are navigating to this URL, maximizing the window, printing the title of the page, and then we click on a button. On the button click, another browser window opens, and then the finally block is executed, where on the first instance, we are calling the driver.close method. Let's execute this program and understand how it is used. So I've executed the program. A Chrome browser window is open. Then it is maximized. It opens another window on the button click. And then we can see on the right hand side, the title of the page is printed and the current window is closed while the other window remains open. So this is the use of driver.close. It will not close all the browser windows, but only the current window on which we were focusing. Now I'll change this code and use driver.quit instead of driver.close. Save this program and execute it. The same program with driver.quit is executed. And now we can see all the windows of the web browser are closed gracefully. So this was the difference between driver.close and driver.quit. Thanks for watching patiently. Keep tuned for more videos on Techcanvass.